Hello everyone, and welcome back with Professor Chavez. Today we're going to talk about exponent rules. Now the first rule we're going to learn is multiplication. And what this rule says, when multiplying with like bases, add the exponents. So for our algebraic expression, we have 3 to the 4th power times 3 to the 5th power. If we notice, they both have a base of 3. So whenever they have like bases and we're multiplying, we could add the exponents. So the exponents for one of them is going to be 4, and the exponent for the other one is 5. So we're going to add 4 plus 5, and that gives us 3 to the 9th power. Now 3 to the 9th power is 19,683. Now go ahead and try these examples. So for example 1, the product of 3 to the 3rd power and 3 to the 8th power is 3 to the 11th power. Number 2, 5 to the power 6 times 5 to the power 4 is 5 to the power 10, because 6 plus 4 is 10. 6 to the 2nd power times 6 to the 5th power is 6 to the 7th power. And the final answers for each one of these. Now let's go ahead with the second rule. Division. Whenever we're dividing with like bases, we're going to subtract the exponents. For example, 3 to the power 6 divided by 3 squared equals. We see the bases are the same, so that means we could subtract the exponents because we're dividing. So we're going to say 3 to the power 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4, so it's 3 to the 4th power. And 3 to the 4th power is 81. All right, everybody, let's go ahead and try these examples. For number 1, we're able to get 3 to the 3rd power because 12 minus 9 is 3. For number 2, we are able to get 5 squared because 6 minus 4 is 2. And for number 3, we're able to get 6 to the power 4 because 9 minus 5 is 4. And once we simplify these numbers, we get 27, 25, and 1,296. Now That's what we're going to use. The power to a power. When an exponent is applied to a power, multiplying the exponents. So in other words, we have 3 to the 6th power to the 2nd power. So we're going to go ahead and multiply the exponents, which would be 6 times 2. And that gives us 12. So we have 3 to the 12th power. And 3 to the 12th power is 531,441. Alright guys, go ahead and try these examples. Now the answers for these are going to be 3 to the 8th power, 5 to the 12th power, and 6 to the 9th power. And if we go ahead and simplify these, our answers would be these. Following problems. See you next time.